That's our first release songs. Actually, ilang bulan ba natin i-release yan, di ba?
Last December 17.
Sa awa ng Diyos, may nakikinig naman. Kaya pa paano?
It was played every morning at Barangay LS 97.1.
And once again, gusto lang po natin kasi natin mag-session sa maganda po sa akin dito. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan, kapito lang tayo. Is that a cover song?
Siguro ito na lang siguro i-release natin yung isang kanta niya. Huwag na yung dulo. This song nagsasayaw Let Me Hold Sign.
Original by Pure Water Walker.
Soon to be released. The first time I looked at you, I never realized that you would captivate me again and make me hypnotized. The glimpse of your smile made me alive. To know again and it blessed my eyes. As I see your face again, the color of the fields continuously moves like no winds. Gazing at you suddenly makes my heart seem so wrong. One stars are shining down to you tonight. I never thought that I would fall in love, so let me hold you tight. The sky is so big, let me hold you tonight, my hand. You are the apple of my eyes with you. Let me cool down, since we care for you. Give me a chance to make it clear. As I see your face again, the color of the fields continuously moves like no wind. Gazing at you suddenly makes my heart seem so right. While stars are shining down to you tonight. I never thought that I would fall in love, so let me hold you tight. Well, thank you very much.
It's called Hold You Tight.
Kasi mabalik po kami yun sa... Bago po kami napadpad dito, last yun natin, guest kami. Sabi ni Madam, sige, join kayo sa amin. So yun, mabalik po kami after a short break.
Thank you so much. We're at you.